the Philippines. We've been hearing about this. Ano nga ba ito? At paano nga ba tayo makakapaghikayat ng mga bibisita sa Pilipinas kung ang airport ay may problema, kung laganap ang polusyon, kung medyo questionable ang safety ng mga foreigners sa ating bansa? Ito naman ang mga sagot ni Philippine Department of Tourism Secretary Ramon Jimenez Jr. We had an exclusive one-on-one with him before an event last Monday. Here's what he had to say. Mr. Secretary, welcome to Los Angeles.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
First of all, what brings you to the U.S.?
Well, I'm here primarily to get in touch with what we call the mainstream markets of America, and of course to touch base with our tourism attachés to set them off on a course which we've agreed we're going to take. And that is to reach out to everyone with the offer of more fun in the Philippines.
Let's talk about more fun in the Philippines. It's gaining ground. There was a lot of excitement surrounding the launch of that campaign, and now it's steadily, being spread through social media and other avenues. What is the thrust of that campaign?
The core strategy is based on a competitive and differentiating idea, which means that when you go to the Philippines, you are part of a participative experience. You don't just watch, you join in. And that amounts to fun, more fun, in fact. So the key, therefore, is the Filipino people and their unique ability to make people feel a part of their lives, to feel welcome.
Some people, pessimists perhaps, those negative people saying, how can we boost tourism if the airport is like that, if there's pollution, if this and that, this and that. Let us first tackle that, the airport situation. Are we doing anything about it?
Yes, we are. In fact, I cannot think of any country on earth that doesn't have airport problems. It doesn't mean we don't solve them. It means we don't lose momentum trying to gain market share and getting people to come over to the Philippines, even as we're fixing our airports. Pollution, again, there is pollution everywhere in the world. In fact, just for people to get clear on something, the Philippines is one of the countries that accounts for the least pollution in the world. We account for less than 0.5% of all the pollution on Earth. In fact, we are one of only 10 countries with places like Palawan or Puerto Princesa, which has a negative carbon footprint. In other words, it's actually contributing to cleaning the air. So all these things are perceptions that come out of, like you said, very negative thinking and from the usual suspects. We have spent, as a people, far too much time explaining ourselves. Okay. Think safety. I'll name countries or cities, then tell me if you think they're safe. Sao Paulo, Moscow, Egypt or Tel Aviv, Jordan. What countries do we think are not safe? Let's say, countries in South America, Rio de Janeiro, etc. I cannot think of any country, certain districts in LA, New York, Pittsburgh. There are safety issues everywhere, but you have to ask yourself, are there good ideas and good things about the Philippines? Absolutely. There's Boracay, there's Palawan, there's the underground river, there's Intramuros. There are, in fact, the people of the Philippines. And that's saying a lot.
Very well said, sir. And you're really a good ambassador and spokesperson for the Philippines when it comes to tourism as well. In terms of that, the issue with China right now, how is it affecting Philippine tourism, if at all?
Last year, we had 3.9 million tourists, and we're expecting 4.6 million tourists. Last year, the Chinese market accounted for about 243,000 tourists. I would say that's not a very major blow, even if they all didn't come, which is not to say that they're not welcome. So there has been a lot of speculation as to whether this this thing would send us reeling? And the answer, of course, is obviously not. The Philippines does not welcome any kind of reduction from any country. And it's sad, of course. But is it a business disaster? Of course not. We will move on, focus on other markets where we are just as strong, if not stronger. We have over 1.2 million visitors from Korea. Okay, those are the really strong markets. So my advice to everyone is check it out. Go see for yourself. Fun in the Philippines is something we can deliver right now.
What is the best thing about being Filipino?
Oh, that you get to grow more and more every day.
And what can we look forward to still from from your department, sir, in terms of promoting the Philippines?
Well, the department is determined to reach out more and more to people in America, people who have never been to the Philippines, and to people all over the world who are looking for a place to have fun, more fun.